DJI, a Chinese drone manufacturer, has been known for producing high-quality drones for both recreational and commercial use. One of its most popular series is the DJI Mavic, which includes the DJI Mavic Mini, DJI Mavic Air, and DJI Mavic Pro. DJI has been updating its drones to keep up with the latest technologies and meet the changing needs of drone enthusiasts. One of the most anticipated updates is the release of the DJI Mini 4 Pro. In today's video, we will be showing you DJI Mini 4 Pro expected features. Without further ado, let's begin. Design and build quality. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is expected to have a similar design and build quality to its predecessor, the DJI Mavic Mini. The drone is likely to be compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It may also have foldable arms, which would make it more portable and convenient to store. The drone will likely be made of high-quality materials that are durable and can withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Camera. One of the most important features of any drone is its camera. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is expected to come with an upgraded camera compared to its predecessor. The drone may have a 1-inch sensor that would provide better image quality, especially in low light conditions. The camera may also have a higher resolution, which would allow for sharper and more detailed images and videos. It is expected that the drone will be able to shoot 4K videos at 60 frames per second, which would be a significant improvement over the DJI Mavic Mini. Flight performance. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is expected to have excellent flight performance. The drone may have a longer flight time than its predecessor, which would allow users to capture more footage without needing to recharge the battery. It may also have a faster maximum speed and a higher maximum altitude, which would make it more versatile and suitable for a wide range of applications. The drone may also come with obstacle avoidance sensors that would help prevent collisions and ensure safer flight. Remote controller. The remote controller for the DJI Mini 4 Pro is expected to be similar to the one that comes with the DJI Mavic Air 2. The controller may have a built-in display screen that would allow users to view live footage from the drone without needing to use a smartphone or tablet. It may also have a longer range than the DJI Mavic Mini, which would allow users to fly the drone farther away from the controller. Intelligent flight modes. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is expected to come with a range of intelligent flight modes that would make it easier for users to capture stunning aerial footage. These modes may include Active Track, which would allow the drone to follow a subject automatically, and Quick Shot, which would allow users to capture cinematic shots with just a few taps on the controller. The drone may also have a Point of Interest mode that would allow users to circle around a particular object or location. Price and availability. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is expected to be more expensive than the DJI Mavic Mini, which is currently priced at around $399. The drone is likely to cost around $599 or more, depending on the specific features and configurations. As for availability, there is no official word from DJI on when the drone will be released. However, based on rumors and speculations, the DJI Mini 4 Pro may be released sometime in late 2021 or early 2022. In addition to the expected features mentioned above, the DJI Mini 4 Pro may also come with a range of other enhancements and improvements. For example, it may have improved image stabilization technology, which would allow for smoother and more stable footage even in windy conditions. It may also have a more advanced transmission system, which would provide a stronger and more reliable connection between the drone and the controller. Furthermore, the DJI Mini 4 Pro may come with enhanced safety features such as geofencing and altitude limitations. Geofencing is a virtual boundary that restricts where the drone can fly, and altitude limitations restrict the drone from flying above a certain height. These features would help prevent the drone from accidentally flying into restricted areas such as airports or military bases. The DJI Mini 4 Pro may also have a longer range than its predecessor, which would allow users to fly the drone farther away from the controller. This would be especially useful for those who want to capture footage of vast landscapes or outdoor events. Another possible feature of the DJI Mini 4 Pro is the inclusion of a zoom lens. While the DJI Mavic Mini did not come with a zoom lens, the DJI Mini 4 Pro may come with a zoom lens, which would allow users to capture footage of vast landscapes or outdoor events. Another possible feature of the DJI Mini 4 Pro is the inclusion of a zoom lens. While the DJI Mavic Mini did not come with a zoom lens, The DJI Mini 4 Pro may come with a zoom lens that would allow users to capture footage from a distance without needing to fly the drone too close to the subject. Finally, the DJI Mini 4 Pro may have a longer warranty period than its predecessor, which would provide users with more peace of mind when using the drone. DJI may also provide better customer support for the Mini 4 Pro, which would help users troubleshoot any issues that they may encounter while using the drone. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is expected to come with a range of exciting features that would make it a top choice for drone enthusiasts and professionals. While the price may be higher than the DJI Mavic Mini, the improved camera, flight performance, and intelligent flight modes would make the Mini 4 Pro a worthwhile investment for those who are serious about aerial photography and videography. With its advanced features and capabilities, the DJI Mini 4 Pro may revolutionize the world of drone technology and take the industry to new heights. Flight time, faster speed, and higher maximum altitude, as well as obstacle avoidance sensors and intelligent flight modes that would make it easier to capture stunning aerial footage. The remote controller may also come with a built-in display screen, which would make it more convenient for users to view live footage from the drone. However, as with any rumors and speculations, it is important to take these expected features with a grain of salt until DJI officially confirms them. Despite the expected higher price tag of the DJI Mini 4 Pro, it may still be a worthwhile investment for those who are serious about aerial photography and videography. With its advanced features and capabilities, the drone would allow users to capture high-quality footage that would be difficult or impossible to achieve with a traditional camera. Additionally, the compact and portable design of the drone would make it easy to carry around and use in various locations. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is expected to be a significant upgrade over its predecessor, the DJI Mavic Mini, and would likely be a popular choice among drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. Whether you are a hobbyist or a professional filmmaker, the DJI Mini 4 Pro may be worth considering for its advanced features, high-quality footage, and overall performance. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is one of the most anticipated drones of the year, and it is expected to come with a range of exciting features that would make it an excellent choice for drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. So guys, let me know your thoughts down in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.